Okay, we have these Novsight automotive LED lighting. Nov, as we know, Novo means new, so that would be kind of new sight. I like that name. That's very creative. And inside here, we have the instructions manual for how to use them. This version I have here is for my car. These are the H7, and that's how H7 is. There's a little fan under there to cool it off, connectors, and the base that my car or all cars with H7s have this side of base. And that's your LED right there. And it says Novsight even on it. That's cool branding. I like that. They went to the lengths of putting the name there. And that's the LED. That's where the fan is inside there. That blows cold air. And the connectors are here. As you see, H7. That's what we're looking at. And I'll just go install them in my car and well, see how they light up. So let's do this. And well, looks like we're done here. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, right there. Actually, I don't have the bright lights on. These are just the normal running lights that we just installed. And this is how it looks. Look at that. It's literally super bright in person, but camera is doing what camera does. So let me put it in front of the car and show you how it looks. Towards the camera, I hope you can see that good. And just to show you that I'm actually on running lights and not bright lights or long lights, look, these are the long lights. That makes quite a huge difference. And if I turn off the long lights, these are the running lights. So yeah, I'm going to turn and we'll show you a different angle. Okay, so you can see all the possible angles. That's all I'm trying to do here. If I don't step on the tree, that'd be nice. And yeah, they have zero vibrations, zero problems whatsoever. This is actually quite a big deal because a lot of times when you put LED lights on these cars, you can either see a message on the dashboard or something. Nope, with these, dashboard is clean and there's literally zero vibrations in person. Let me put the bright ones. Yeah, literally super clean. And that's how you're supposed to see your headlights. That's how they're supposed to operate. And besides that, I don't know what else to tell you. They're just actually that good. So yeah, let me just go back in parking and that's it. We're done with this video.